This electric duster for PC blew my mind and my dust away. Ha 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 ha. It's Anki here, and today we're about to blow some dust off. Literally, I'm talking about the UltraBlow VC023 Electric Duster for PC by Relidol. Yes, it's a tiny handheld gadget, but it packs more power than my morning espresso. So buckle up because this thing doesn't just clean, it annihilates dust. Let's go! All right, this sleek little guy right here is cordless, rechargeable, lightweight, and yes, it has LED lights so you can find dust hiding like it's playing hide and seek in your keyboard. First off, 100,000 RPM motor. That's insane. Like, why does a dust blower need to go this hard? I don't know, but I love it. Whether you're cleaning your keyboard, your car, your sofa, or your life choices, this duster can handle it. Oh, okay, maybe not your life choices, unless they're dusty. It has 3 airflow modes. Just long press to turn it on, then click to switch modes. Easy peasy. The power? Oh, you'll feel it. One puff and boom. Your keyboard looks like it's never seen a crumb in its life. You get 5 nozzles and 3 brushes. Basically, it's like the makeup brush set of cleaning gadgets. Only instead of contouring your cheekbones, it's getting the cat hair out from behind your monitor. I use this thing on my PC, my desk, and my car. And guess what? I even used it to inflate a pool float. Because, why not? Oh, and if you're into BBQ, it can even help you blow on the fire. I'm not saying it's a grill master, but it might deserve a chef's hat. Now let's talk battery. 7,500 milliamp hours, runs up to 40 minutes, and charges with USB-C in about 3 to 4 hours. Plus, it has a fancy little LED display, so you know your wind speed and battery. High-tech? Yes. Fancy? Absolutely. Pro tip: don't charge it right after use. Let it cool down first. It's like us after a workout. We need a moment, okay? So final thoughts? This electric duster for PC is one of those gadgets you don't know you need until you have it. And then suddenly you're blowing air at everything like a maniac. If you're tired of compressed air cans or just want a powerful, reusable, fun way to keep your space clean, this one's a no-brainer. Links in the description. Check it out and grab one for yourself, or 3, because why not be the Oprah of dusting? You get a duster, and you get a duster. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more honest and slightly unhinged reviews like this one. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Stay dust-free and fabulous. Wow.